These 3 conservatories with polycarbonate roofs were all next door neighbours. They were so impressed with our first job that the 2 next door neighbours had their conservatory roofs refurbished too. These conservatories had all the usual problems of being freezing cold in the winter and boiling hot in the summer. The polycarbonate roof made it noisy, it had condensation, it was damp and not used that much at all. After the refurbishment of new inside insulation and new UPVC panels on the outside, these conservatories are now comfortable rooms to use every day of the year, whatever the weather. It's now maintenance free with a quality UPVC new finished ceiling that's easy to keep clean inside and out. Also, this insulation saves substantial amounts of money on heating bills in the winter and cooling bills in the summer. We guarantee with our full conservatory roof insulation that our customers will be able to use their conservatory comfortably every day and every night of the year, whatever the weather. This refurbishment and insulation has brought back the life to these conservatories and has made it maintenance free, easy to clean, eliminating dust, spiders and insects. This is also a government approved insulation which is VAT exempt. For a free conservatory roof insulation or conservatory roof replacement quote and survey, call Conservatory Insulation Specialists anytime 24/7 on 0333 242 3870.